Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 700 MNVNs in the resin colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, today we are going to be taking a look at the 700 MNVN Yeezys in the resin colorway. So we've definitely seen the resins in the 450s. We've seen them on the slides, and I would say that this is pretty much the exact same resin colorway that we're used to seeing. So we'll talk about the overview of these, then we will jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled them, and then we'll talk about how these are actually going from to retail and are still actually available at some spots. So let's jump right into the overview. So again, this MNVN is the resin colorway, which I have a few different colorways in the resin, and it definitely is exactly that color scheme. So if you're thinking, is this actually the same green that we've seen on the resin slides and the resin 450s? It really truly is. I think it does pop quite nicely with the black on this one, but this is a nice different color variation than what we've seen on the past. Obviously, we've seen the 700 MNVNs in super vibrant colors, from orange to blues to kind of silvery pearlescent whites. So it's really nice and refreshing to actually see it in this resin colorway. So that just wraps around the sneaker quite nicely. Moving on to the upper part of the shoe with the tongue, we do have this lace lock system. Again, you have to actually cut this if you do want to change this out with another set of laces. This pair does not come with additional pair, but it does already have the lace lock system set in place. We do have just a simple synthetic leather tongue going on here, and just nice accents of that black on the side of the eyelets there. On the front, we do have that nice reflective 3M going on the sides, and we'll take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. Working our way to the side panels, more of that reflective 3M going on the 700 here. You can kind of see it really beaming off the light there. Really pops quite nicely. We do have that reflective color scheme going on the back of the heel as well. We have a black insole with Yeezy on the inside, and a black midsole, and a black outsole to finish and complete the sneaker. Let's take a look at those details, and then we'll move on to size and fit. so as far as the Yeezy 700 MNVNs, I do always recommend going at least half a size up. So I went with a size 8 on these. They fit me perfectly. Again, I do have higher to narrow feet, so depending on whether or not you have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate the size that works best for you, but I would highly recommend going up at least half a size on this. All right, so now let's talk about how I style this colorway. I always have fun with the resin colors. I love adding greens to my wardrobe. I think it just goes great with what I currently have in my closet. But for the first look, I decided to really match that green with my sweater, and then I paired that with some light denim jeans. I think that light denim goes quite nicely with this color scheme. Second look, I decided to wear a black dress with a black leather button-down jacket. I think the all black look definitely makes these sneakers the statement piece. Last and final look, I decided to pair these with kind of a nice green olive tone for some cargo pants, and then I top that off with just a nice tan button down. Let me know of the 3 looks what was your favorite, or how would you style these?
Just forget them now, cause we make our own moments. And all I know is I need you close. Don't let me down, don't let me go. I'ma tell you now, cause I need you to know. Look, I ain't trying to say some fake shit, let's talk straight, cause I just wanna see you naked. Hey, no cover, no clothes. Chase you out, me pace it like no one you ever known, and I can't take it. Hey, it's human nature, the thing I really can't fool is blind. These open eyes when you're so naked, 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 so naked, 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 naked. You know you look good, don't think I don't know this. No filter needed, my only point of focus. When the love let me down, it left me so hopeless. But you fought the calm deep down like an ocean. And all I know is I need you close. Don't let me down, don't let me go. I'ma tell you now, cause I need you to know. Look, I ain't trying to say some fake shit, let's talk straight, cause I just wanna see you naked. Hey, no cover, no clothes. Chase you out, me pace it like no one.
All right, so now let's talk talk about how much these are reselling for. So these currently retailed at $220, and all sizes across the board you can actually get for below the retail price point, which is great because when these first came out, I know that these sold like hotcakes. I don't know what has happened with the transition lately and the drops on the 700 MNVNs, but it seems like a lot of people are just not as crazy about these as they once were. So definitely these are also still available on the Confirmed app in certain sizes, but if you do want to save a little bit of price from that $220 price point of retail value, you may be able to get it in your size for a little bit less. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much if you're new here today. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you on the next episode.
All I know is I need you close. Don't let me down, don't let me go. I'ma tell you now, 'cause I need you to know.